Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. The thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the menu button to open the menu. Now you should see the watch face option. Once you see it, tap on it and it will open the watch face menu. And by default, in the watch face menu you will have only one watch face, but you can select this option called Add New, and here you can scroll through the list and look for something you like. And once you find the watch face you like, press the Start button to confirm, and it will be added to your watch face list. And now you can find it and tap on it, or press the upper button, my bad, and then select Apply to apply it. You can also customize the watch face. So if you open the watch face menu and press the upper button, the Start button, you can customize it here. You have data, accent color, data color, and delete option basically removes it from the watch face list. But first let's tap on data, and here we can adjust what kind of data is being displayed, I believe. Oh no, we can select the data, the widget. So let's say this one that is blinking, then we can press the upper button and then we can change it to something else. That's how it works, okay. And then press the Start button to confirm. And you can do it for every widget on the watch face. There's quite a few. So you can check select the widget, adjust it, and then press the Start button to confirm. And once you're done, press the Start button again. Oh, my bad, not Start button. Back button to go back. Oh, okay. Then select the accent color, and here we can change the color of the accents. You can scroll through the list and then confirm it by pressing the Start button and the data color. And once you're done, press the Start button to confirm, and finally select Apply to apply the changes. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.